God sent. I know I'm God sent. I'm swiftful God. You know, I'm talking about I done overcame some of the obstacles came from up on the small rocks and shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I created this Christmas holiday, I don't know what to call this look, but I'm trying to stay more consistent with my channel and post more videos, get back in my makeup vibe because I've been slacking with my makeup stuff, you know. Leave your thoughts and comments down below what you guys want to see next, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I already did my eyebrows, and now I'm going to start on my eyes. And to prime my eyes, I'm using the Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Sand. This concealer is like really thick, so you know, I try not to apply too much, but then also I'm looking for a more full coverage look too at the same time. I'm not sure exactly what kind of look I'm going for. I'm kind of going more with the flow. But I want it to be cute and I want glitter to be in it. That's all. I want it to be dark, maybe like a dark brown, like, or add some black in it. But with, hold on, I gotta get up again. Okay, so first I'm start off and going into my Morphe 350 palette. It looks a little messy because it's really old. I've been having it for some years now. But Sigma Diffuse Crease E38 blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with a transition color. So probably I always start off with these two colors right here. So right now I'm just building up my colors. I'm starting light and then I'm gonna gradually go my way to dark colors. I don't like to go straight into dark because I just get scared. I really get scared working with dark colors because you never know how a dark color is gonna come out. So yeah, starting with my colors. So now with the same brush, I'm going in with this color. This eyeshadow palette doesn't have names for the colors, so I'm saying this, and that color because I don't really have a name for it. But I'm going in with this color right here, and I'm gonna go in the crease as well with it. I'm just darkening up my crease right now, / transition shade color, you know. Okay, I think it's coming together so far. Let me get y'all a close-up look of how it looks. There you go. So this is how it looks so far, and with those colors that I started off with. So now I'm gonna start to darken it up, but I'm gonna go in with a bigger brush, a tapered blending brush. It's the Sigma E40. And I'm switching on to the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession mini eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to go in with this shade right over here, mixing these shades two together. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. So, cause I'm thinking, yeah, I'm gonna go in with this shade. Y'all, I told you I'm going with the flow with this video, so.
I don't know. Every girl does that, you know, they're in makeup, they don't know exactly what they're going for. I mean, they do, but then you don't know what colors you're using, so anyways.
And this time I'm going like just deeper into my crease, still building the outside color. But I'm dragging this also down my eyelid into the corner, if that makes sense, you know. Somewhere with this look, let me give you another update close up. So yeah, this is what we're doing so far with this look. So now I'm going in, I'm gonna redden up / this is like an orange reddish color. On camera might pick up differently, but I'm going with this color right here with this is the Eco Tools blending brush. It's so old too, but I love it because it's so like small. It gets in the corners, gets in the right areas. So if you have a little tapered blending brush like this, go ahead and use it. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here and going in the outer corner of my eyes, still deepening up this crease too, building a color. I'm gonna tap it first and then blend it. Only I'm not really caring. I'm trying to get the outside corner of this because I'm doing a cut crease with a glitter color, so I want like more of the outside. And I have small eyes, so it's like hard to get in there. So now going back in with the second brush I use, which is the which is the tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna blend all these colors together again. I always go back and clean up my colors so I don't leave any harsh blends or harsh lines. So I'm gonna give you another update of how this is looking. I think it's looking, you know, good so far. I feel like the glitter is really gonna look good with this color that I came up with. Oh, I think I want to darken this up a little more. Let me darken this up a little more, then I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm just darkening it, I'm just going over it again with the same color, by the way. Okay, so now that I'm done with the shadows, I'm now about to cut my crease. I'm going in with the same concealer I used to prime my eyes with. This is a Tarte Shape concealer, and I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush. It came with the brush set, so I'm not sure if they have like a single brush like this, but if they do, I will link it down below. To cut my crease, actually, I always like place the concealer somewhere and then I look up like this, and then wherever it has that line right there, you know, that's how I know it's my line stops. So that makes sense. So now for the glitter I'm gonna use, I thought about going in with this Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the color I don't know how to pronounce this. So I'm gonna let you guys look at it and see if you guys know how to pronounce it. But something satin. Either way, you'll find it down below. So I'm thinking about doing this, and I have this NYX glitter and I was gonna go on top with it. So now I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. It's not glitter enough, that's why I'm going in with this on top of these where I cut my crease at. I'm gonna go mix this shade and this shade together, and I'm gonna go in and clean this up. Going in, using this brush with everything, but I'm gonna use, I have this NYX glitter primer, which is what you use to before you apply to the glitter. You can get this anywhere from Beauty Supply store, that's where I got mine from, and yeah. So now I poured the glitter on top of inside the lid so it can be easier to get to. So I'm gonna tap my brush in there and then tap it on here. Do you see how much the glitter shows? Like, I don't know if it picks it up on camera, but it definitely can see. I'm gonna show you guys the difference between this eye and the other eye. See the difference between this eye is like that and this eye is like boring, and this one's like more pop out. Like, I don't know. This eye is more settled than this one, but you know, I like to be extra, so. And I'm gonna take a makeup wipe to clean up all of this. I'm just gonna wipe all the excess off of here. For my skin, I already applied this, but I used my dry skin cream, Rich Hydration Facial Moisturizer. This is by Pond's. If I'm pronouncing it right, this is like the best. I use this in my skincare video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. You know. But anyways, I use this, but for my primers, I use, for my pores, I use a Pore Professional, you know. And then I use my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So first I go in with actually, I was going with this one first for some reason, I don't know why. But it's like in my T-zone area, everywhere where I most likely have, you know, pores, where they will show, or areas where I want like a smoother finish look. Okay, so for foundation, I'm using my NARS foundation, NARS Natural Radiant Longwear. How to pronounce it? Is Syracuse or Syracuse? I have no idea. But it's the number MD1. So, yeah, I always put it on the back of my hand. I put like 1 to 3 pumps. Maybe like 2.5, I think. I don't know, but yeah. And then take my... Now I'm done applying my foundation, smooth finish. I'm now gonna go and add concealer And again, I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Concealer. I use this so much because, why? I don't know. I want to try out the Born This Way Concealer. I really want to try it out. I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers use it, so I feel like it's good. You know? I used to have their foundation, but I didn't really care too much about their foundation. Yeah. For contour, I use the Fit Me Shine Free and Balanced Foundation stick, but I got like a darker color. It's in the shade Coconut. It's like really dark. I use it for contour. I always go on powder. It's just the bronzer powder that I have is like not as dark, so I just use this dark shade and I go over it with the lighter powder. I don't know why. I just do it that way. Use a different beauty blender for when I do my contour. Now that my contours are blended in, I'm going to set my under eyes with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I apply it in the top of this, and then I take my brush and just dip it into here, and I apply it in my eyes. And while that's sitting, that's when I go in with my bronzer. I use the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula in the color Bronzer. That's the shade that it is. And I use the BH Cosmetics brush. All these brushes that I use by BH Cosmetics, they all came in a brush set together. So I will link that brush set down below. It's very affordable and they work very well too. So now when I apply it for my nose, I use like a small little blending brush. I'm using another BH Cosmetics brush. It's just part of the whole brush set that I got. So it's the number 4. And I'm gonna wipe away all this powder and stuff that I used. So for highlighter, the highlighter I use on my face, I also use my brow bone, which is the Laura Geller New York in the color Golden Honey. I got the mini kind because I feel like the mini kind lasts a really long time. Any highlighter lasts a really long time to me. Then I'm gonna go apply my lashes and do my under eyes. Be back. And I went ahead and applied some lashes. I did basically the steps I did on top of my eyes, I did the same as the bottom of my, as far as eyeshadow. And then I added some mascara, and so now I'm gonna go in with this NYX white eyeliner and outline my waterline with this. I feel like this will make the eyes pop more. And last step is I'm going to, if I find it, I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, and then I'm going to apply my highlighter using another this is the BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm going to apply my highlighter. And then I fan myself with a picture of me, literally. And then halfway while it's drying, that's when I go and I apply my highlighter. So to clean up under here where I bronzed at, I used the banana powder, the Revolution banana powder with the real, I always apply it on something like this. I apply it on my palette. And then take it like this. This is a nude, this is like the pink, so this is what I do to really debate on which lip to use. I think I'm going with
like a demon see me. I know I'm God sick. I'm God sent, like he sent me so I can relay these messages.
Say you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best, you the fucking best.